Hi Amazon, this is my review for, hope I get this right, Hikeren mini cordless vacuum cleaner. I bought this to clean my cars. So you can see it's built pretty solid. It has on off button, release the attachment in the front. It comes with a stainless steel filter. Let's see what else in the box. This is your, of course, power cord. Hose thingy to get to the smaller places in the car. Cool, a brush to clean, and comes with its own bag to carry around, which is what I'm gonna do, and a nozzle. So this is to get to between the seats, and I think this, and I've used it once, but I've not taken a video so far. It has held the power pretty solid and very easy to clean. So far, yeah, I'm pretty happy to have it one around when you need to clean your car quickly. Thank you.